Hello! Today we're talking about a few reasons why you should study in Wales. I'm Chrissy and I'm currently studying in Aberystwyth, and that's why I thought, why not give you a few reasons why to study here, especially because I'm an international student. Reason number one, there's beautiful surroundings in Wales. There's definitely a lot to see and worth seeing. Like, there's loads of castles. You could just go take a trip for the weekend and just see loads of castles. There's a lot of mountains. We just could go hiking. You have Snowdonia, which is a beautiful place. You also have all around half of the country, basically, the sea and the beaches. You're even capable to surf, which is quite rare as well. So definitely worth seeing. Reason number two is affordable living costs. It is a lot cheaper than in England. Considering just the transport in London, you pay about £130 for a month. Here you pay £76 a year for the transport, plus most towns are really small, so everything is anyway really easy reachable by foot. So if you're worried about money problems coming to uni, it's also cheaper in terms of getting flats and space to live. The third reason why you should study in Wales is because there's just happy students around. I'm happy, my friends are happy. Aberystwyth University is also in the newest results of the NSS. We're the #1 in Wales and in the top 5 in the UK, which is amazing, especially considering that I'm living in one of the safest towns in the UK, which is great as well. Then there's also the other side of that they actually, Aberystwyth University is giving you opportunities of doing joint honours, which maybe not even match up. There's a friend of mine doing maths and theatre, which maybe not make a lot of sense, but it still works. Same as I'm doing theatre and film, which is also great. The fourth reason would be the community. Everyone around here is really friendly, and it's basically a student town, and it's great because everyone supports each other, everyone knows each other, and it doesn't seem as stressful as big towns, comparing to it. It's just really nice, especially because there's still a lot of stuff going on, for example nightlife, and there's still a lot of big games going on, from football to all university sports, and it just feels like home. It's really tiny but really nice. The fifth and final reason would be the Welsh culture. They are a tiny country, but they have a culture, like every single country. They have a really cool flag with a red dragon, plus they have their own language. It's a really weird language, but somehow really cool language, but I do not understand the word. But you can learn the language. They actually give courses at university, which is really useful. And they have a really nice cuisine. They have the lambs and they have the Welsh cakes, which are great. And fun fact, did you know that there's more sheep in Wales than people? Who knew? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any ideas or questions, comment below and subscribe.